In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscriptions to your Wix site. Whether you're looking to offer a monthly newsletter, special access to premium content, or a recurring service, adding a subscription option can be a fantastic way to boost engagement and revenue on your site. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage and customize various aspects of your site. From here, you'll want to locate the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Finding the right tools is key to our next steps, as we'll be using Wix's apps to make subscription management seamless and efficient. Now, click on Market to access the Wix App Market. The App Market is a treasure trove of functionalities that can enhance your site's capabilities. In the search bar, type in Subscriptions and hit Enter. You'll see various options appear, so let's focus on selecting an app that best suits your subscription needs. Popular choices include Wix Store or a dedicated subscription app like Paid Plans. Click Add on your chosen app, and follow the prompts to integrate it into your site. After successfully adding the app, return to your dashboard, and you'll see a new section for managing your subscriptions. This is where the magic happens. We're going to configure a subscription plan that aligns with the value you aim to provide to your visitors. Click on the new Subscription Management section in your dashboard. To start, click Create a Plan. Give your plan a name that clarifies what your users can expect. It's crucial to be transparent and descriptive here. Think about the value you're offering. Consider details such as pricing intervals, payment amounts, and what each tier provides. When setting the price, remember to take into account the value you're offering, as well as what your audience might be willing to pay. The great thing about using Wix is that there's flexibility here, allowing you to create multiple plans for varied offerings. Maybe offer a basic membership that gets users started, with options for upgrading to more inclusive packages as their needs grow. Next, add any plan details and descriptions. Remember, clarity is important, so be sure each description is as informative as possible to encourage signups. Now, hit Save to store your plan settings. Once your plans are created, head to your site editor and choose where to place your subscription plan so that it's easily accessible to visitors. This can be a dedicated section on your home page or a standalone page, depending on your site layout. Add a call to action button labeled something compelling like Join Now or Subscribe Today. Ensure the button is prominently visible and links directly to your subscription plans. Finally, preview your site to see how it all looks, then click Publish to make these new options live. Regularly check your Subscriptions tab to monitor signups and make any necessary adjustments to your plans. And that's it. You've successfully added a subscription service to your Wix site, opening new opportunities to engage with your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!